All right, Kristen. So one of the things I know we specialize here at the Delia Group is a customized 12-month moving plan.
Yes.
So that's a lot of words. What does that actually mean?
In most cases, our sellers choose to meet with an agent on our team up to 12 months prior to moving. And the reason they make this choice is because the market's always moving. They want to keep an eye on the value as they approach the time when they're actually going to put their home on the market. And there's a lot of prep work in some cases, right? So our team is helping our clients arrange movers, stagers, organizers, handymen, all of these things. And it's really a good idea to consult with an agent early on in the process so that when the time comes to put your home on the market, you're ready.
Yeah, and a lot of people, this is their biggest asset, right? So if you can, on the way out, do some tweaks like we talked about in order to present yourself as the best value, drive the most amount of buyers through, that's really going to increase price. And that's tough to do when you're trying to put it all at the end, right? You put a lot of pressure there, and moving is already stressful, let alone for contractors. So if you can get a customized plan up to 12 months in advance, you're doing it in bite-sized pieces.
I talked to a homeowner in Clinton Township yesterday who decided that she wants to put her home on the market next week. And she has so much prep work to do, right? So I've scrambled a handyman over there to change her countertops and do some painting and these types of things. And it would have been a huge benefit to this client had we connected earlier in the process, because I could have had her on a strategy and a plan that allowed all of this stuff to happen over a finite amount of time.
Yeah, so reach out to us. Let us provide you with that easy button and that well thought out plan in order to maximize your top asset. And we'd love to help you with that. Appreciate it. Thank you.